Guess what? These got new elevators. These got brand new. If you ask me, these got brand new. Can't wait in here. P5. Oh man, you got brand new. This is ThyssenKrupp. Taking 2 eyes on these since it's brand new. And I do not like opposite ways. P1.
Parking level 5. Going down.
Cab you quickly. It's very basic elevator. These are ThyssenKrupp. I didn't know this was brand new fixtures. This is completely modernized.
Parking level 1.
Capacity. This capacity 4,000 pounds. Taking one more ride on these. This thing's got brand new modernized. If you ask me that question, these things are brand new.
Parking level 5.
Insert door grills. This thing's brand new, and it's still in modernized situation. I thought it would be done by now. Here we are in P1. Out you go.
Parking level 1.